Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10's input 1_3.dll is missing from your computer. Type DirectX end user runtime in browser search bar. Click download DirectX end user runtime. Click download. Click finish. Type X input 1_3.dll in browser search bar. Click X input 1_3.dll. First check your OS type, open File Explorer, right-click this PC, click Properties. My system type is 64-bit. Click Download. Open and extract the downloaded file. Copy DLL file. Click Start button, click Run. Type ccolan /Windows /System32. Paste DLL file. Open Windows folder. Open SYSWOW64 folder. Paste the DLL file. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.